I actually did this myself a few weeks ago, and I recorded all of the steps. You can click the link in the description below to get started with your application, and you don't need a Gemini exchange account in order to apply. Basically, they create one for you for your crypto rewards once you apply if you don't have one already. As soon as you enter some basic info and confirm your email, it's going to tell you whether or not you are pre-approved, and again, this is with no impact to your credit so far. In my case, I was pre-qualified for a credit limit ranging from $1,000 to $25,000, with an APR ranging from the low 17s to the high 29s. Keep in mind, however, that rates are subject to change, and everyone's experience here will be different. Once I actually went through with the full application, I was approved for a $10,000 line of credit. You get a temporary credit limit that you can use immediately through the digital version of the card, and the physical card came in the mail within a week. The application itself takes less than 10 minutes, but you might be wondering what the requirements are for this card before applying. First of all, the recommended credit score for the best approval odds is a 690 or better, but keep in mind this alone does not guarantee approval. In addition, you need to be at least 18 years old and a resident of the United States, and this card is available to all 50 US states. So if you're not from the US, unfortunately, this card is not available to you, but the Gemini exchange itself may be, so be sure to look into that separately.